then it is some I will cause so cry or mind Ghana with you. Eh, she said the celebrity see dear. So what you won't do, what baby. So I won't be Bema a year bullet, Rough Town Records. Who send Sembi Pepe, maybe Moana, a year Fontana, can't send be Ghana celebrities in whom and the teacher near Mano. Say want me for home to two one woman and in some bebre as semi beji boom begent and how my Ghana man and some kids to Accra. And I'm so Fontana a day and send be follow a year when the shade. I can say when the shade a local champion and semi be yet din as I said the social media and idea. They say when ya somewhere a hawk and walk canoe near as some fun of homes on Saka. No so ato amane ninnua na akwaye bibia wo ho a sese ni enya yenuanom anwumtofo omoto wiase nwom hip hop ne de keke ka ho reggae dance hall ne nya won ko a o sese wonu a wo to gospel musicians no so krampo no ebi eto mane wonuanom na saa ensami echi no ekofa ensem bebre e de baaye ema abrante be e friend Ray James ameka nyina ene se eye abrante Ray James asem bi a ode akotudwa ebra na Foster Romanus eni ni edi nkomo etwetwe nkomo efa ensem bebre a epiepie ye enam eye Rough Town Records senua bullets ho ensensem bi so na eno na abrante Ray James e ka se ono Ghana ha na waba no enwom ena obaaye ese wo ba beye enu nti se enwum no woba be ya obepe ese omanfo ebehunu obehye ne so obegina tum ewo enwum to ekwan eso sense oni ni nua bi ebenya akasa na ene eye Jim Rames o se wayi ni din efi Rough Town Records label eso ni nyina ene sen eye asema meka se Fontana ede ensem bebre ebeto abonten efa Rough Town Records ho ekeka nsem a ede ko follow when the shey ne nsem nyina ne se Rough Town Records ne nwum asa nenyuma asa ene nsem bebre nsem de okan bebre a mintimi mbo ni nyina so ewa ha enam so okara se when the shey so eye local champion na sa asemi eda sa nipa mienu intamu na enam so a ema eye Ray James ho ebe follow mu na Ray James asema all kan nyina ene se eye yenu abema bullet Rough Town Records se ode obi asem eba anase asem bi sisa na ono Ray James enim ho hwe na prekope yede ne ho ebe follow na ne din ebe follow asem ne mu ne de enye na ne gisem efise wono no de woni obi eni asem ena onpenso se one ni nua celebrity anase musician anampo obi fufuro bi a waji din ana any common ampo ebenya asem na obepe ese Ghana fo ebenim no wobehye ne nso ana ejina ne nwum a oto eso opese omanfo nyina e focus eba enwum a ono eto no so na aba anase futusem a odefa ne nwum edema omanfo no ebetimi akonwa adwunimu sense ebenam mentime ho ase bi so na ebeba ne se amanfo ebehunu se o osimesi de enye ono no ne obi nya asemi ana Ray James Ray James na ada no ne osimesi na nya sam keto ko Facebook Twitter Instagram egu ho dabi on ne ni enye ho sa ebi se sa de na yakoso no ohunu se ense emfata na se oyi ni din efi Rough Town Records label eso no on pene se ebeba se bi a na wentwu bi so nti na wafiri ho because ono asumdwe wo pe na se ene o kan se oni Rough Town Records eni tweka bia na enye sikasem enye ntokwa oni bullets ono na Rough Town Records eye ne de no oni nya asem bia entawantawo bia ma wontem mentime ho ase bi ma wontem sikasem bi nko obone enam so nti amen ne o ka se o free Rough Town Records label eso nemo no de ewo mu ni se sa nipa mienu we ho asem eye wandi she ene Fontana ntokwa nkitinkitin ekoba amiri bi atwamu na enam so ye bisa ne ye hwiehwie afekere mo awonim se sentwefo eba dia se esel fata se o se utinti na e wo se etu ne sere ne abasa ne ye de ma eno enam so ena interview kokko so ye tie we enu asem ne ye tie we enu asem ena nam so eye bullet oye Rough Town Record penny ede ebe tudwa se wo kire ensem mu no ena nam so eye Ray James ho asem anase ne din eba asem yi mu bie na mentime ho ase kakra bi bae ene sen Ray James ese ensam ana ekoso e Fantana ene Wandishe entam no wonim ho hwe nsem bebre a Fantana e kan ye bi ekoti a eye Rough Town Records wono Ray James onim ho hwe ne ho asem bi enim onim santokwa no ho hwe kra enu nti eye no wanwa eye ne na kakra ese se bullet ebe ka asem anaso be kire nsem yi mu a wode onu Ray James din ebe follow nsem ni mu anase ne din ebetimi epie mu ewo saa enkrofo mienu wei ensem emu efise onim asem no ho hwe enti se mentimi ho ase bi aba obi ni obi ntam a onu Ray James de enka enu ho ase ne din etimi epie wo emu ewo kwan bia so na eno na ohwedwen ho anose de bi se saa na enyema besi akode a ene na Rough Town Records ho no eni moa no eho enya bia ye esese wotena enu nti ewose ope baabi na ode ne tifa na emom se meka se yi de ono oni bullet eni asem bia wontam ye kama entokwa bi eni wontam oni obi anso ni asem Fantana na oni Wandishe nyina ewo Rough Town Records label so no oni ommu bi anso eni asem efise omu nyina eye enuanom wo eye Rough Town Records label so no onu Ray James so ehwa no onu so ewo enu ntinka omu ye enuanom but se nei we firi ho no mo a enye boni bi so enti wo kire Ghana manfo nyina se ma obi mfa ne se bi a etimi ba se anwumtofo mienu wontama ya basa obebisa na eye asisisem a ne nyina ejina sikasam so enti ena ema eba se wontam aye basa na emom no wonu Ray James de wone Rough Town Records enye adwuma biem nanso no wone eye bullet a oda Rough Town Records ano no a eye ne de esi ne nanso pino one no nso eni asem enu nti obesre se Ghana manfo nyina se wobenim Ray James a ewo se eye nanwum a wato obi ena wodi benim no ananse so obi be kire se Ray James ni a na obi be bisa hwan ni Ray James a osi wanti nwum we title ono no boy aha eno na beboa no se be na efutusem ne aba a ewo ne nsemu no omanfo ebetimi enya eho emfaso sense ebekoba ne se oni obi benya asem na ye be kire nipa Ray James eye no na akoba ne se eye wantwi bi ekoso wo oni obi ntam na ye de be kire ne chikwan anase ye de be ne signboard aha eno na ose 1 penny centi na watwe ne ho efi Rough Town Records label enho a ene ono so ede ne ho akogija baabi fufuro sebe ye na nani so ade hu efa enwom to ho ene de ono hwehwe ewo oman Ghana fo nyina ho ne ne ono so pese wo de ma oman Ghana fo nyina no ebekọ na totin senia wo pe no na yenko hwe video no senia na interview no ekọ ebra na eye Foster Romanus eye na interview ewo celebrity show so a ono Foster hosti ewo ETV no yenko hwe ni entedia eye Ray James editudwa.
I think I would have left even after a year, but there were stuff that I felt wasn't right.
Like what?
No,
you're not going back, right? Maybe, he promised he will record 5 songs for me.
No, it wasn't.
But so that's what we want to do. It's not like we are going back. We don't want to know whether you fought over money or anything. But I realized, Sabia, he was supposed to do ABCD, which he didn't. So I thought it was time that I started on my own. Or probably I felt he could have given me a little more attention than I did get.
It wasn't about attention or money or whatever. But it was about 2 people or people on the label fighting or having misunderstanding. And he dragged me into the whole...
That you are part of the reason why they are fighting.
I said he dragged me in the whole thing. And I didn't want controversies around my career and me. I always want people to concentrate on my music, not on the way I say, not fight, not in that bush, no. So I felt
you could just solve it amicably and then you continue.
No, how the whole thing happened, I just felt that wasn't the right place for me, so I had to just...
Because I see a senator, but still I'm a boom.
No, we're quite a fast
understanding.
You boom sad time, maybe you boom later, but sad time no quite a fast by. No, it wasn't right because I felt if CEO of a label and I say paying or dying him, I also on Umpono Jina Muma Yena like Intasebemu. and the penny is dragging someone on into the whole thing instead of trying to solve two of them. DNA, I just felt it wasn't right, and I had to leave because you wouldn't mean you see Baku for Baku to look good, and I said no. So I just felt okay. Then this is the time for me to just move on.
Do you regret that 2 years?
No, I don't regret because I learned so much from him. He's someone who is a good writer. He's been in this industry for long, and so I learned. I mean, I don't regret at all working with him because at least I also learned something. And moving on, I can also use.
What lesson have you learned?
It is so when it's ya, so when you are now, as some are branching kind of the pan, as a one of the wapes, woman for a wunana, when you know, Effie, name your ma, or to one who am the pa, now a bayer and car and she a dear be, and I say, you better baby woman and cabba because it's a neck. Now, your woman, I quite celebrate it and we took not their money way, or be crashed at me, yum. What yum, no way, sharing in me, one minimum papa hair, or the sending me an a keke, now grow. And now grow cry. Nani so tell you, no, so I have for no, so they reply. And so one young son, so I won't say no, I bet not social media. So, open a Twitter handles, and I say YouTube, Facebook, and yeah, the idea. Woman so much short, no, the Google hop peche. And near our petty up on the pan, be a say no present, no cray. Only put me shed that the new who did not some kind of one to say there won't send for Tashi. Sanya money and say emphata any enyefe. Echo could saying, and no, and a brand here, James Ashe, and who say ensign for 20 was one of dear. A bayer essay or man for Benim and one in the son in Yum Pa, or the elsum or mine Ghana in Tina and Kofa, say a yenta want to be about new bintum. Now, say Empo Mibisa, we are the 4 Sebe, and answer one my 1-2 gospel. A year hip life artist, reggae dance hall, nay, Afro pop, need the keke musicians in na say a bit no more to many one yanum, enya and topa, and answer when yakasa. Now, what the Kojina social media so we catch the winner when so at one and we are, and ka and yefe, as a yen animal mere gospel musicians. Omo bet me aka say oh adean ka yenu anu ye enye enti no adenti na osimesi na obentin na so watro ebeye se onu nyi na betena e wasumdwe mu se na atron konkon no eka no na so eneyi no gospel musicians no krampo no ebi nsusu enam saa kwan we no so a obi timi kan ni nua hwasam ye he ebi timi kan ka se ni nua kwaji eduro ya tete ne techere maso ya tete ne techere mase se be ya wo to nwuma enwum ne be ye atenka behwe ewo oman Ghana mu enti se koba ne se gospel musicians no kra no mutimi nya akasa se etia mo ho a ene na sebie nyaado yen no mo se na aye de yen fa adwuma no se adwuma aye be yen fa adwuma se nyam adwuma no eye adwuma aye pese ye ni ji ho aye be aye mono mo ye hweso de de mayen no eden pa na yen so ye be ye eno ene ansem aye nua be me e de tudwa ese wono de on pese obi benam eye wentwetwa akoso wono obi ntem ebe hye nso na emum ebe ye ana ehu behia ese obo ne nwum hu de ru wo manfo ebe tie ne nwum na wo behu ne nwum esense wo behu eye ntawantawa eda oni obi ntem nti ebe ye ebe boa ese ye nuanom celebrities aka no mo so mo de be ye nhweso de ese ehu hia unu atia wo na so a freno na ka kire no since oba be gina Twitter, Instagram, Facebook ni de keke social media handles ni nyina so na obeka se tia wunua meanwhile ni nyina so eye edwuma baako na afenso so ye nuanom gospel musicians a mo so mutimi to wane man mu nuanom no so no ehu behia ese saa ne man nyina mu betwa so efise enche obuo na enche eniso na emfa eye ahunidie bia nso embre wunua enti munia ba ma me da ko asem a me de besom Ray James who has some any papa bullets and Rough Town Records and you baby in wire and me de aba besom cause on her attention TV if you say we inspire you more me that say Emma Muni share mesan so aba wakwan so